we're in this Spanish tech department store, and guess what we've got? We've got an older Otis. I wonder if that was the logo down there. I think these are the sensors. That's kind of a really weird sensor. And looks like we're at the top. I don't know why this is as high as the elevator goes. Like, does that work? I don't think any of these. We can only go to A. Whoa. Guess we'll watch it go up. It isn't much of a view. And it's a delayed startup as well. Does the indicator even work? No, the indicator does not work. Hey, look! It's an Otis Europa 2000.
Gracias.
De nada. Estoy haciendo un proyecto de las ascensores. And that will be it.